you. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install one of the most popular Diggz Xenon version. This particular version is Diggz A10 version 1.1. It's going to be a quick tutorial, and I'll be showing you how to add this build to your Kodi app. And without wasting much of the time, let's get started. So the first thing you do is just you go to settings, click on system, and go to add-ons. Okay, here I'm going to check this unknown sources option so that we'll be allowed to install add-ons from any source. Let's check it. I have to click yes here. So after doing that, go back to the home page, go to the file manager, and click on add source. Click it. So we don't have any source currently. So to add source, we're going to double click this one. So we're going to add a source from a URL, and this is one of the most important steps of this tutorial. So make sure you type exactly the URL I'm going to leave on the screen. Make sure you don't miss out any particular word or column or forward slash. So you're going to type it in this format: https :// Diggz 1.me /Diggz. So the URL is https :/Diggz repo. So make sure you add it exactly the same way. I did not include any caps lock, and the HTTPS is protected with the HTTPS. So I want to click OK here. Good. So we have successfully added the Diggz repository file source. So go back to the home page. Then we're going to add an add-on. So we're going to add the first. Okay, we'll be using we're going to be doing two installations. The first one will be from a zip file, and the second one is going to be from a repository file. So to do that of the zip file, we will click install from zip file, and you're going to choose this Diggz repo. Okay, I'm going to choose repository.diggz23.zip and allow the installation to wrap up. So it's installing right now. Diggz repository add-on installed. So like I told us earlier, we're going to be doing two installations. So let's proceed with the second installation from the repository. I'm going to click on Diggz repository. On this page, you're going to scroll down to program add-ons. Yeah, this particular chair familiar with that is what you're going to install now. We click on install. We're going to use this first installer. Say OK. So let's click OK. So we allow it to finish downloading and installing. To pause the video till when the installation is over, so I don't need to waste much of it. Yes, so the installation is complete. The installation of the Diggz check wizard. So we're going to close it. Okay. This is currently there is currently no build installed. We don't know. I'm going to do that later. So you open the HF wizard, open it again here. Okay, so for us to get this particular trending Diggz Xenon build, which is the Diggz A10 Plus Burst version 1.1, we're going to go to the build menu. We're going to click on Diggz A10 Plus Burst version. Just 152 MB file. So we're installing the Diggz A10 Plus Burst version 1.1 build on our Kodi app. So it's pretty simple and it's a very straightforward tutorial. I like making my stuff very short and straightforward, so that you're not going to be wasting much of your time doing so many unnecessary things. So I hope you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so that whenever I post, whenever there's an update on builds, you will just get it immediately from my channel, because I'll keep you updated with the latest Diggz Xenon builds and URLs. So I think you will need to install. I think you would need to subscribe to my channel, please. So guys, the installation is done. Let us wait for the extraction to be completed as well. Okay, just pause it. Yeah, good. So we are done with the installation of the Diggz Xenon build. So once I click OK to close, and you just need to restart the Kodi app to see the installed build. So guys, I would really appreciate if you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you'll be getting a notification of the Diggz Xenon version build as soon as I post them, because I'll be updating you with the latest versions, latest builds, like on a weekly basis. Just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's all for now. So thank you for sticking around, and have a wonderful rest week.